Sometimes it happens in real life.
Yes, shit happens.
Let's look
Yes.
what have happened this time. So it's about CARVERTICAL. Remember to use code TDP to get 20% off about your report price. This time we have a Toyota Corolla 2021. Purpose need attention, odometer looks good. Registration and legal status goods. But it have been on damage.
Yes.
As happened.
Yes.
Also on simulator. Pretty much broken on the front end. And good pictures here. It's a 15. Yes. If you want look your car what you are going to buy or what you have already, if the kilometers is okay or something, please use code TDP on carvertical.com to get full report of your car.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello.
Hello.
So, obviously the car looks a bit different now from what it is in this episode.
Yes.
But I got a few questions regarding the floor. And what was the most difficult part about figuring out this whole floor situation, such as thickness of the floor or metal panels, functionality, and maybe bracket placement and stuff like that? Do you have any ideas or thoughts about it?
I would say two things. The rust, what the original car had. Basically, it's not much left about stock steel, but still,
Almost nothing.
yeah, but still every side
Yeah.
we had to weld
Yes.
the new floor to the stock chassis.
Yeah. Obviously the gearbox tunnel is a part of a lot of the floor.
Yeah, we made it in two pieces. So the rear piece, that is the whole floor is one panel, and the front part is another.
Yeah.
And maybe hardest thing was to develop the front part,
Okay.
because it have a lot of bends
Yeah, it does.
and need to be still straight line,
Yeah.
where I welded to
Yes.
the rear part.
Yes.
Also, every measurement will be correct to fit the firewall
Yeah.
at the front.
And the firewall as well was quite rusty, so adding a lot of pieces makes the metal like quite.
Yeah, absolutely. But with that we have quite much space to play with, so we
Yes.
like hammered it
Yeah, you did.
to be better lines
Yeah.
and a good fitment. Also, as the last episode you see, there was not like enough space to engine,
No.
but we modified like the firewall some centimeters
Okay.
more rear to fit well on the tunnel,
Oh yeah.
and so as we can look now,
Yeah.
there is enough space.
It is.
We modified that and made the whole firewall to be smooth
Yeah.
as we can.
Yeah. So you pushed or made it more
Yes.
even.
Yeah, it
the
was
bend.
like going to the more front,
Yeah.
but we make it to go backward.
Yes.
I think we use it like 1 week to fit the front floor,
Yes.
make the firewall.
Yeah, you had quite a few hours.
Yes,
on-
it's not basic 8 hours days.
No, not at all. And like making sure everything fits correctly also takes
Yes.
a while, and the preparing of everything takes a lot of
we
time.
had the gearbox from the race car and the spare engine, so we made fitment and all measurements, how much we need space
Yes.
to gearbox and the engine starter and everything, and I think we did that well.
Yeah, you did. The front part of the floor was made by someone else, right? Like the bending of the metal.
Yeah, I made just the all drawings and the laser steel here in Kokkola.
Okay.
The Mikko Riipa, I would say, also my neighbor.
Yes.
He made the laser cutting, the laser steel and bend it.
Yes.
Perfectly.
Yes.
So it was a lot easier to us to assembly.
Okay.
The ready part.
That's nice.
We just modify it, then the sides.
Yeah.
And the firewall. Well.
Also, if we take a look at, like in the, oh shit, like in the here in the at the sides of the floor, it was quite rusty.
Yes.
So
we made big parts.
Yeah.
So cut the rusty parts off and new steel plates.
Yeah.
And welded everything with a thick.
Yeah.
To get a nice, smooth looking. And
was it any difficult to weld the new sheet metal onto the old metal?
Every welder knows that thing. It's not the easiest thing. But I think I also learned it quite much.
Yeah.
That.
I think you have welded up like 10 kilometers of wire and at least.
At least.
But yeah.
Trying to be better on welding as well.
Absolutely.
I am not a welder, I am an electrician. But I try to everything.
You did a really good job nevertheless. But yeah, the floor looks actually really good.
Yes.
But we can take a closer look underneath the car and see how you made everything fit. Alright, so this is what it looks like at the moment, or it will remain like this for as long as this car is alive, obviously, but it looks a bit different than from the rest of the video that the people are watching at the moment.
Now it's painted and...
Yeah, it looks a bit more clean, so to say. But yeah, this is the underside of the car, obviously.
Yeah, we made the pretty much bend to the floor, so getting more strength.
Yeah,
and
more
also
sturdy.
We have a vertical profile here to get it.
Oh yeah.
Getting position.
Yes.
And do not like bend.
Yes. You also added some like metal.
Yeah, metal profile.
To make it more sturdy. This car is obviously not
race-proof.
Race-proof, exactly. Would you mind telling a bit more why that is?
The axles is from different car. It's not illegal on the drifting.
Okay.
And also we have lowered it a lot.
Yes.
So we need to cut
a lot of
what is not allowed.
Yeah.
But we still, I have read pretty much about Driftmaster's regulations.
Yes.
So we still made the
correct
the
measurements.
With the correct measurements.
Yeah.
It's enough, so I can have a hand over, so it's quite easy to remove the gearbox and play with the clutch. So
yeah, that's good.
It's really good on that point.
Yeah.
Not a big troubles.
No.
Doing the repair.
Yeah, and maintenance.
Yeah, maintenance.
Yeah.
Often needed on our sport.
Yes. Usually it means taking the whole gearbox down, but nevertheless, there's still plenty of room in between the floor or the tunnel.
On the drive shaft. Well, we call it a cardan in the Finnish, but I think it's a drive shaft in the correct English. So it's enough space. If it just opens these four walls, you can slide it.
Oh.
And slide it out.
That's pretty nice.
So it's made to be pretty simple to disassemble.
Yeah.
As well.
good.
Should we talk about the DMA Racing gearbox?
Oh, most definitely.
Gearbox.
Very much.
Yeah, it was a good.
Yeah, I actually got some questions on the phone.
Okay.
I don't remember anything if I haven't written it down, but why did we choose the DMA Racing gearbox?
We had planned to use an old gearbox, but we looked at what is the quantity on it. Using it with 1,300 Newton meters and drifting.
Oh, the gearbox from the drift car, right?
The old one.
Oh, okay, yeah.
G-Force.
Oh, yeah.
So it was not on good quantity.
Oh.
It have been a long time use a good gearbox as well, but
it has taken a lot of beating.
yes. So like every gear on it have a small cracks.
Oh.
And we look at the pricing, how much cost
Oh.
to fix it. We had a new DMA Racing on the race car.
Yes.
And we absolutely wanted to have same on this car.
Yes, of course.
It feels so good. We have more gears on it.
Okay.
And
okay.
it have been so solid. No any stress on the whole season.
Nice. Nice.
So we look at the costs, and it was really on the money side also good.
Okay.
Upgrade to sell them to get it a lower powered car.
Okay.
They
okay.
still have lifetime, but not on that strong engine.
Okay.
So now we have a really
brand new
DMA Racing gear.
Yeah.
Also on this car, 5-speed sequential
Yeah.
gearbox.
It looks amazing too.
Yes.
Like not only is it working.
Yeah,
like a
some
charm.
drifting gearboxes have faults with like cracking
Okay.
the housing of the gearbox, but as you can see, this is made to be really strong.
Yeah.
So no any issues with that.
No. Some more questions. Brackets for the gearbox and figuring out the correct placement and getting like everything lined up properly.
Yes.
Was it any difficulties with that?
We used the laser.
Yeah.
Take the crankshaft line to the rear end.
Okay.
With the diffuser we can't see it
No.
right now, but
It ties a lot.
And we lined it with them
Yes.
to get. And also the important thing, the engine and the rear differential, it cannot be a straight line.
No.
Because if it's straight line, then the drive shaft look where they find the clearance.
Okay.
Starting wobbling.
Oh.
So we have
Yeah.
a little bit upper the rear differential.
Oh, okay, yeah. So the engine is lower.
Yes.
Yes.
So now it works well and no
Okay.
any issues with that.
Mm-hmm.
But it still needs to be on this side straight line. The engine is on straight and the rear differential is at the center of the vehicle.
Okay. Okay.
And also we use a rubber mount on the engine.
Yes.
So we need to have rubber mounts also to gearbox to not like if it bolted straightly to the chassis and the engine is moving, then the gearbox housing take all the rotating stress.
Oh, yes.
So we need to keep that on the engine side.
Yes. These are strong flex bushings, right?
Yeah, it's from BMW.
Oh yeah.
Have been working well on also on race cars. So
Yeah.
you should say
Yeah. So this is the same
yes.
concept as on the drift car as well.
Yeah, I call race car. It's a
race car.
competition car. The 203.5.
Yes. As a whole, the gearbox and the placement of everything is same as in the race car as well.
Pretty much same, yes.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. I think that's pretty much everything I had in mind regarding the gearbox and flooring as well.
It's a pretty much modified, pretty much weld, but I think we did it quite well.
Yeah.
Any bigger issues.
No doubt about it.
Clean. So I said if them roll this car, it need to be look like also good.
Okay.
From the bottom.
Hopefully we don't see that happening, but
hopefully not.
But now it should at least look good if that happens.
Yes, it was the plan.
Yeah.
To have it good looking
Yeah.
everywhere.
Yes. I think it turned out really good. But yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Hello, this is Teemu from Black Smoke Racing. Before you continue, be sure to subscribe to this channel, leave a comment, thumbs up, and don't forget our web shop. Go and check the tuning parts to the Mercedes engines. And also we have a lot of merch, caps, hoodies, etc. See you in the next episode.